Hello, everyone, and welcome to Colors of Web3 Fireside Chat. This is episode number 4. Here I am joined by my casual co-host, Raigal. In this episode, like as promised, we'll be talking about DYOR, which is do your own research. I think this is a very important topic because there will always be some tokens or about some project, but you don't know how to actually do research about it. So we will give you basically our own methodology about how to do research. But this is actually just a brief introduction to it. We would actually encourage people to do a very much deep dive, spending hours or even days on a token or protocol. This is actually what I actually do. But anyway, so the rule for this episode is actually pretty simple. So there'll be 2 tokens that one I will give to Raigal, and then one she will give to me. We each have 10 minutes. We will each give actually some signal, like 5 minutes, 2 minutes left, and then thumbs up. And at the end, we just ask each other about the evaluation of the token, whether it's good, bad, need more info, etc., things like that. So without further ado, I think I'll let my co-host go first, which means she will give me a token first, and yeah, we'll begin.
Yes, actually, the token I want you to look at is Fetch.ai. Actually, it's
Okay.
not a new project, but I mean, with all the wave of AI, I think you can find it interesting.
Okay. Fetch.ai.
So let's go. I'm going to
Sure.
count 10 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. Let me share my screen. I don't think I know that much about Fetch.ai. So first thing I would do, I'll walk you guys through the process. She told me it's Fetch.ai. So I don't know much about this token. So I think I've heard about it. I'm not like a super deep dive expert into it. So first, I guess I will use Google or your favorite search platform. In my case, it's one of the Web3 search platform. And then from there, I will open some relevant links to it. I guess this is the website, Fetch AI. Let's open the website, see what we can learn from it. Looks like it is an app about build, deploy, monetize AI. AI integration, AI service. Okay, I see that. Very clean and well-developed website. AI agents as well. Cool. A lot of interesting services that they are producing. Looks like you can also connect multiple services on top as well to create new services. Okay, this is actually quite exciting. I think we both know that we are in the middle of the AI kind of cycle, which would be one of the important narrative for this cycle. So looks like they're really capturing the trend of AI over here. Delta holiday booking service. Okay, very nice. Try Delta V. Oh, cool. Is this like a demo I can try out? Usually I like demo. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have to log in. Okay, I don't think we'll want to log in, but at least, okay. Interesting. Okay. Don't think I'm gonna deep dive into the video, so I'm gonna go back there since we only have 10 minutes, so I have to really optimize for the time. So usually some of the things that I look out for is, let's go back to the main website first. I would like to look at the team, actually, the people behind the company. So here's a company. It looks like there's a foundation over here. I guess that's the one responsible for handling it. Fetch AI Foundation, non-profit. Okay, very cool. Where technology seamlessly integrate. Mission, drive the advancement of AI and Web3 technology, collaborative ecosystem. Okay, and I like that. Yeah, that's basically in the very good intersection of Web3 and AI sustainable business model. Okay, cool. They also have like a validators, block explorer. I'm just basically what I'm doing here, just looking around to get a feel of what the ecosystem is like, right? Okay, so they
What the key points are you looking right now for?
want to make sure that looks like it's a very well maintained, well run company. I'm actually looking for the founders actually. So maybe I don't think I can see it here. Okay, they have a block explorer. So I think they probably have their own blockchain, obviously, for their own block explorer. I'm actually looking for some people behind, right? Whether it's like teams and docs. Don't think I can see it here. So I'm gonna look on here on either CoinMarketCap or maybe I want to check on here, CoinGecko, Fetch AI. If not, I will just go back to Google. Let me see if I can find, okay. Oh, there's a white paper too. Okay. So usually what I would recommend to everyone to do for deep dive, you should always read the white paper, okay? Because this should be, okay. Okay. So these are some real people here. Okay, so it looks like the team is docs, I'm pretty sure, because if I Google this name, I can certainly turn out. And if it's a white paper, right, meaning like some of these guys are probably very deep into either AI or blockchain. which is always a good sign. Okay, internet service delivered via increasingly centralized in a few monopolistic platform. Web framework conceived to cater increasing return, existing multi-agent agent architecture adoption outside, but more novel agent framework design to allow decentralized digital economy. Okay, seems like a very complex framework. Looks like bridge over new web technology. That's called part of it in construction. Okay, nice. Okay, so these are some of the keywords that they give away here. So it looks like some sort of a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3 from what I can see. So I'm gonna check is I actually would like to check the social, right, to see how good it is. So let's take a look here. 225,000 followers. Okay, so it's very established. It is not like some coin that just popped out yesterday. It's good. Telegram, Discord. I'm probably gonna skip the Discord part. It looks like the Twitter part is good. Chain, deploy on a couple of chain that belong to the category of AI. Actually, one thing I like to do, since I have a technical background, we both actually have technical background,
Yes.
just to look at the GitHub to see the
Highly
development.
recommended.
Yes, highly recommend. Even if you don't understand code, it is okay. I will tell you how. So what you need to look into is you can actually see over here, right? The repository. Of course, these are the public repository. And you can see here when's the repo been last updated, and just see how active they are, how many repository they have, and whether
5
you
minutes.
can actually see. Oh, okay, thank you. I have 5 minutes left. So from here we can see that there's a lot of activity been going on. So looks like it is pretty solid, and you can also see the people here, right? So they are fully docs, which is actually really like a point of safety for me, because I actually prefer the founders and teams to be docs rather than non-docs, but I know some Web3 people may not like that.
I do agree. Reputation actually is very important in the ecosystem.
Yes. It is very important. It's just, anyway, for us, it's more like point of safety, right? Because if you are like a docs founder individual, it's very unlikely for you to, if you try to pull a rug pull or do a scam, right? At least like your name is known all over the internet or all over the world, actually.
Exactly.
So 5 minutes. Let's see what am I going to look into next. I actually would like to look into the tokenomics. Okay, let me see if I can find that somewhere. Maybe I'm curious about. Actually, I can see some of that on CoinGecko though, but I don't think it tells the whole picture. So I have to maybe find another website here. Okay. Oh, there's a warning over here too. Actually, it's like it's not really a warning. Token converted ERC20 in mainnet using interchange bridge. Oh, it's just more like a announcement. It's not really a warning, so nothing too crazy. Fully diluted valuation of 2.2. So it looks like from here, like 90% of the token is already out. I want to see if I can get some sort of a tokenomics from some other website. Oh, not from here, looks like. Maybe Token Insight. I think this is probably one of the good website. Oh yeah. This is kind of like what I would like to see. Next, what I'm looking for here is I want to usually, if I'm looking to project, I want to make sure that the team do not hold too much token. Foundation, usually investor and team. So 20%, I guess, is probably okay. Foundation is usually for the development of the whole ecosystem. Future release, my reward advisor, I think looks okay. Nothing really too crazy. And of course, they did a lot of fundraising, which is also good, just to ensure. But FYI, guys, even if there's a VC backing company, it doesn't mean that the company cannot go bust, or it doesn't mean that the company is not a scam. There has been, I think some instances where VC, just blindly sign the check. So Fed, okay, this is what I'm looking for.
2 minutes.
So what is it? Oh, okay. What is the utility of Fed? So create, deploy, and train autonomous economic agent. So okay, looks like it is a token that is used on their own platform. By paying the Fed token to get access to machine learning. Okay, I take that as a probably a pretty good use case, I guess, at least to bind in there. Okay,
It's utility token. I
okay,
guess
which
you
is
can
good.
use
I
it
mean,
for
yeah, I think a token need to have some sort of utility rather than no utility. And last but not least, I guess we'll quickly just look at. Actually, one more thing I would actually do. Actually, I would do Fetch AI. If I have more time, right? What I would do is I would actually spend maybe 1, 2, or several hours watching any of these movie, right? Maybe type in keyword like tokenomics or something like that, because otherwise you would like go into videos that just talk about price. Of course, if that's what you're interested in, you can look into that. But usually what I watch for is like, maybe Fetch AI, Tokenomics, or some of the keyword is like, or how it works, things like that. When you search for it, right? Fetch AI explained, see, like this as well. And then you would watch it. Of course, we're not going to watch it here because we don't have enough time. And that's what I would do if I will give it more time. And last but not least, I guess we can quickly touch on the price over here. Looks like it was released a long time ago, 4 years ago, 0.2, and now it went up during it actually went up recently, 3. So it hit
Yeah,
the peak, 3. Okay, I think it has
but it was
pulled
with
up.
all the AI, ChatGPT, all that FOMO.
Yeah, I think it's writing the narrative, AI narrative. So we don't know, but I think it might have a bit more room to go up. Not financial advice here, guys, but because I think we're not at the peak of the bull market yet. And this is what I strongly believe. So I think it probably still have some room to go up. And yeah, so
Fine.
okay, perfect. Yeah, so I think that was basically what I want to share with you guys. So if I have more time, quite hard for me to decide whether I would like buy this token or not. So because this is always, that's why it's like the topic is DYOR, right? But I would, again, things I would do if I had more time, right? Look into some videos, read the white paper, maybe look at some code if you're a technical developer, try out some of the product. We saw a demo earlier, right? I didn't really have time to go into that, but yeah, I would totally try out some of the demo over here. And so it looks like it's a solid project, docs team. So yeah, so I'm going to stop sharing now. And so the token I want to share to my co-host is actually, are you ready? I will give you
Usually I'm
the,
ready. Yeah.
okay. I'll share my screen to
Yeah.
actually, just to show you the token name. So
Perfect.
this is Volumint, VMint. So yeah, with that said,
Perfect.
go for it.
Okay, then I go for it. I'm going to start. So let me share. Okay.
Okay, go for it. Yeah, I just began the timer. Yeah, go for it.
Yes. Okay. Here actually was in CoinGecko for Fetch.ai. So it's Volumint, and I think that it's Vmin here. Actually, I like CoinGecko, market cap, whatever token aggregator. Yeah, you can see to see actually the market. Why? Because usually I don't search in Google for the token or any kind of browser. What I do is I go directly here to the official website or the official web paper. Why I'm doing here? Because actually, depending the project, if the name is more mainstream, like Meta, it has something about metaverse in the name. It has something about whatever thing in the name. Actually, you can find a lot of scams on the browsers that actually ask you to connect your wallet, and then actually you get your funds, you lost your funds, you get hacked. So actually I like actually to go to the social media or the explorer through here. I also like
That's a
that there
good
is
point.
yeah,
No,
because actually I don't know, maybe I'm just trusting CoinGecko that they ensure that the links are like the official ones. It could not be, but I think it's more weird. I also like they have Telegram, oh, and they also have Twitter. Okay, do you see the new tabs I'm opening?
yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Okay,
Nice.
so first of all, it's the Twitter. So here I see Volumint as a person, and yeah, they are from November 2023. They are quite recent, but they are still active. Like as I can see, they are just tweeting a few hours ago. Okay, here I also have the link tree on Twitter, voluntary website, community, Chinese community, and pitch deck. Okay, that's good. Okay, here they have the pitch deck that is Volumint powering crypto project with automated liquidity and community driven growth. Okay, so I guess it's some kind of both unlocking the potential of every crypto project, emerging markets, the blockchain area, growth in competition markets. Yes, okay, so it's a market making, an MM. Yeah, market making MM. So it's a bot, and I guess that you can be kind of liquidity provider, some kind of liquidity provider for the market making. What actually I think it's cool, since the system we were using for market making in centralized exchanges, it's way different than the one we are using in the centralized exchanges. With the pools, we have solved a lot of problems with the market making, mainly with the liquidity of it. but it has its own problems. Consumer trading, asking analytics and reporting. Okay, so yes, the idea is cool. Okay, here it's ambassador program, community member. Okay, I don't think that are real persons. Market potential. Yeah, I don't care. Tokenomics. Okay, 50% token sales, team and advisors, development. Yeah, it sounds good. Maybe a lot in marketing, but actually it's necessary. It's just like personal opinion. Competitor analysis, volume superiority, blah blah. The Telegram. Okay, I'm going to enter to the Telegram. I don't think you can see it. Can you?
No, don't think so. It's probably
Okay.
popping on another tab. Yeah,
Yeah, it's popping on the tab, but
but
mainly like yes, people is active. They are just tweeting.
okay,
Not much to
yeah,
say. If I have more
yeah,
time, I will go through. I will make some questions. Why not? I
okay,
will ask like the community, what you are developing or what, just get interest in. And actually, that's the service scan. It's very interesting, mainly because here I was seeing that according to Go Plus, the contract creator can make changes to the token contract, such as disabling sales, changing fees, minting, transferring tokens, etc. Exercise correction. Okay, why is that? It's super interesting. Okay, we all know that smart contracts are the kind of applications in blockchains.
Oh,
Okay, so they are.
maybe.
Uh
By the
huh.
way, maybe you want to say what Go Plus is.
I don't know. I get it some kind of check.
I believe it's like a security
Token security
audit company.
detection.
Yeah, security
Yes,
and audit company. Have a way.
it's
Yeah.
nice they have that. Security section. Oh, risk item 0, attention items 2. That is the ones they were mentioning,
Yeah.
like min function, etc. So they can mean more additional tokens, issuance functions. Yeah. Well, that actually it's pretty interesting to talk about. Also, like the ownership, not from the retrieve ownership, over can change balance. Oh, that's good actually to have. And also, it's
Mm-hmm.
good that their contracts are public. Here, I can see the contracts, and it's what
Yes.
you were saying. Like as a IT background, I will check, and also the write contracts and the read contracts, approve, decrease, transfer
Mm-hmm.
ownership. That is what we were talking. And it's the thing is like there is
5 minutes.
always in it. Yeah,
Probably
in
five.
smart contracts there is always like some functions that to execute them can be only executed by the owner, like the mean one that it was being commented here. Okay, I think it's okay. Volumint, that's the web page. Now when I go there, actually for me it takes quite a lot to get to the web page or also like to the pitch deck because it's the marketing and I want to see what there is behind. So okay, I can try it, but they asked me to sign up, etc. I don't think. Oh, okay, I didn't have to. Maybe I did it before. I'm not sure. Okay, okay, it's kind of coming soon underscore. Actually, I don't think I'm logged in. I think that it's just some
It's
kind
just
of
showing the
demo.
UI. Yeah, just
Yeah,
showing the
it's just
UI
showing the
basically.
UI. Yeah, but it's completely logged that, but it's okay. Okay, I can have an idea. I go back. Okay, daily volume, it's a lot. And actually that is also interesting because if I go to the project, okay, here in Gecko, the market cap valuation, it's 70 millions. It's super low. But when I go to the web page, the daily volume, it's 77. That is the TBL, and the total volume they have had, it's 4 billions. So
Oh, I
that's
think by the way, the I think that's a daily volume generated by the service, the market making service. It's different from yeah.
exactly, yeah, okay, it's not the log one.
Yeah. So
Understanding.
basically the value they generated, right? It's the service generated, not the
Yeah.
actual token. Yeah. Or you can
Okay,
actually see the price over there too. Yeah, the pricing.
it's a paid pan. Okay, I see. But even though it's good that actually the value they are generating is more
Hmm.
than what they are valuated at. For me, usually it's a red flag when actually they have the market cap is super high, but actually they have no TBL, they have no use, they have no impact. That is not good. Circulating supply is 60%, so it will still have some kind of inflation. And the web page doesn't say much.
2 minutes. By the
Mm-hmm.
way.
I think the thing I'm missing now it's know for what the token is used. So if I click here, I'm not going to pay, but I just want to know. Oh, again, they are asking me. Okay, that's weird.
I think if you look at the deck or either deck or CoinGecko, it might give some idea.
Here, yeah, here the white paper. Yeah, it just okay. It's just a pitch deck again. I don't like this white paper. If we compare this white paper with the white paper you showed before, you can see the differences, right?
Actually, I prefer this one, to be honest. Like the other one, the other
Really?
white paper is very like academic. I'm more like visual, so I think this is
A lot of
easier in my
supported chains.
opinion.
Yeah. I mean, that
Yeah.
it has a better user experience, definitely. It's way
Mm.
more eatable. The other looks more professional, what means nothing, but it's not a white paper itself.
More like a deck. So yeah.
Yeah, it's a deck. Actually, when I click the deck and the white paper is the same. API ID and it's in Ethereum, but after they have more chains in the web page. I don't know if they are live. Daily volume, and here, for example, trading volume. Okay, they are in different exchanges. Okay, I'm missing the tokenomics. It's the same, right? Yeah, it's the same. It's a website. So they don't have white paper. They
Okay.
have pitch deck.
Time
It's
over.
over.
Time over. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
Okay.
what is your evaluation in the very short 10 minutes?
Actually, I don't know. I will say my evaluation is not a scam. That doesn't look like a scam. It looks actually there is a project behind. I like actually, yeah, I will stop I'm sharing. I like there is like a payment service. Why? Because that means mainly for me means that okay, there is a business behind. We don't have to forget that actually most of that projects are companies and they are startups. So even it's not a scam doesn't mean that it's going to make it. Most 90% of startups they fail, but based off what it says, the idea it's interesting. Bots are really really interesting in finance in general. So good for the idea. I have not been capable to find the team. I will need to find the team as we commented, see if they are licit, if their reputation, and study a little bit more like what the token is used for, because the project can be great, can be cool, but after if the token has no use or has no role actually in the ecosystem or the company itself how it works, then it doesn't matter, it's going to work. Like the company can work very well, can be very profitable, the project can be a success, and the token be worthless. So if I'm going to buy a token, I will need to know that.
Yeah.
So my valuation is doesn't look like a scam so far.
Okay. Well, I think that's probably at least a good sign minimum. Yeah.
And
To
the
know.
market cap is super low. Like I show
Mm.
you like a market cap way more higher, so it's easier to say yeah that looks legit. This one it's only 70 millions market cap, so it's like an early stage project.
Well,
For
compared
me,
to
for
Fetch, yeah.
Lam, not as much.
Yeah.
He likes them
Com- compared to
more.
Fetch, I don't know. I like tokens with utilities, right? Yeah, with actually real use case and maybe having real customers, things like that. So, but anyway, so yeah, that was the
Yeah.
episode. I think what the both of us share in common after our evaluation is that, as you can see, that in just the 10 minutes that was given to each of us, it's almost, I would say, impossible to actually fully DYOR, but we just give you a little bit of a brief framework on how to do it, right? The things you should watch out for, look for when you look into a project. And yeah, so that was it. Hope you guys like this episode. Any final words, Raigal? Yeah.
Yes, see you in the next episode. And well, subscribe, like it, comment, feedback. We are always happy to answer.
Thank you.
Thank you.